Iyan lagi, pasagdan niya katungod. Mahal na siya. Pero, nagtuo ka nga ang korte, hindi mo padayon, hindi kung wala kang file answer. Mo padayon ang korte. Nagtuo ka nga rin katalong mga waran, hindi ka magdala mga notice, at nangyang mga hindi ka mo file ang answer. You are required to file your answer because that is provided under the law. No? Under the rules of procedure. Under the rules of procedure. No? So, one day, no? Requiring answer within 15 days, issue of copy of the bill. Now, the claimant or the complainant this time may file a reply, no? Within 10 days from receipt of the answer. So, di ba kas? Ang claimant mo file a complaint, no? Okay, ang complaint is served dito sa respondent, sa defendant. Defendant mo file of answer within 15 days. Pagkagawat sa mga ng complainant na answer, this time it is not the duty of the complainant or the claimant to file reply. Reply within 10 days from receipt of the answer. That